Your business might close at 5, but your customers definitely don't. Problems don't wait, emergencies don't wait, and buying decisions definitely don't wait. In today's market, companies that answer first are usually the companies that win. As a business owner or manager, you're balancing a lot. You're balancing staff shortages, rising costs, and unpredictable call volume. Some days your phones won't stop ringing, and other days you're short-staffed. And after hours, you're relying on voicemail hoping nothing urgent comes in. But here's the reality. When someone calls your business, they need something now. Not tomorrow, not when your staff is back in the office, now. If they don't get an answer right away, they're just gonna move on to the next company. Every missed call is potential revenue walking out the door. It could be a new customer ready to book, an existing customer that has an urgent issue, or a high-value lead from the marketing that you're already paying for. Miss enough of those calls and it shows up in your numbers. It also shows up in reviews, customer retention, and employee burnout from constantly having to cover the phones. And none of that is necessary. This is where after hours and overflow call handling becomes more than a convenience. It becomes a growth strategy. With a professional answering service like Answer Hero, when your lines are busy, we step in seamlessly. When your office is closed, we answer live. When there's an emergency, we follow your custom escalation protocols immediately. No generic scripts, no drop messages, no confusion about what happens next. Just consistent professional service that feels like part of your team, whether it's 2 in the afternoon or 2 in the morning. And the impact goes beyond answering every call. Your internal team gets breathing room. They stay focused during business hours. And they don't feel pressured to constantly monitor their phones or stay after hours. Meanwhile, your customers experience responsiveness, reliability, and professionalism around the clock. In industries like legal or healthcare, 24/7 availability is expected. In home services, property management, or professional services, it's a competitive edge. Because when a tenant has no air conditioning, a client has a legal deadline, or a homeowner has an urgent repair that's needed, voicemail isn't good enough. Being available when others aren't, that's how you stand out. At Answer Hero, we help businesses protect their reputation, their revenue, and their teams with 24/7 answering and overflow solutions. No extra charges for nights, weekends, or holidays, and no missed opportunities. Your customers don't operate on a 9-to-5 schedule, and your coverage shouldn't either. Schedule your free consultation today at answerhero.com and see how simple it is to never miss an opportunity.